What is going on, my people? As you can see, I've got a package over here. I've got a little bit of a surprise for you guys. So we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing video, and obviously you can tell from the title, we're gonna go to the bank and withdraw our funds from our payout on the 100K series that we're doing. So this is episode 3, and yeah, let's get into it. At the moment, I'm doing some streaming. I'm taking some live trades. I'm doing some calls. I'm doing a lot of things right now. Right? So now I'm trading for a new prop firm, and I'm doing some things in the background with the prop firm, you know. And they've decided to send me out some nice little merchandise. For those that don't know, the prop firm is the Forex Funder. So, you know, we like the lone wolf, but you tell me what you're rocking with still. And as you can see, we got a nice hoodie we're going to be wearing on the live streams. I am doing a live stream today, so I'm going to take you guys with me. And yeah, they also sent out a nice cheeky t-shirt, so when you're walking around the streets, they know what you're on, that you rep the Forex Funder, or you know, you do trading. And the 9th, as you can see, 9th of October, we've gotten our payout. And yeah, so today we're gonna go to the bank. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, a little day in the life. After we go to the bank, as you can see, I've got a little bit of a mustache beard thing going on. Gonna go get a haircut, see one of the best barbers in Ireland. And yeah, I'm bringing you guys in along with me. You have a trade. We love to trade on Mondays, and this is what our Monday's trade is looking like. We are up 1%. As you can see how this trade goes during the day and all that kind of things. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part. The goals you have in plan, in motion, you need to make sure it was due yesterday. Not tomorrow, not next year. Make sure it was due yesterday. Act like rent is due today, so obviously you can go and keep doing what you're doing. Those things you pick up on patterns, you pick up on order blocks, liquidity, bear flag, bull flag, and you just make it your own. So what? Yeah, to answer that question, when it comes to strategy, man, literally just do what you gotta do. My outlook on gold, if you jump into the 4-hour time frame, we're still bullish. Price is now, you know, made a new higher high. So if I was to look for an entry, I'd wait for gold to show signs of rejection. The questions you're asking, the real questions. But yeah, in terms of quitting, like there's no point in you starting and embarking on a journey like this in trading if you're just going to quit. It's not easy, but it gets easier though. The more you do it, the more. Okay guys, it's giveaway time. I can see all the DMs right now on Instagram, so I'm going to pick a random winner. Obviously make sure you followed all the rules. You just finished that live stream on the Forex Funders YouTube page and all that stuff. So I wanted to show you guys the myFX book on the 100K account. So we're gonna go to the bank right now and literally withdraw this money. As you can see, once I click refresh, if you come closer a little bit, you can see that the withdrawal 15 minutes ago, like so, boom. And yeah, so we're gonna go to the bank, take this money out, and we're gonna see you guys there. As you can see from the account, everything's looking good. And yeah guys, you already know the vibes. See you at the bank. So we're gonna go rob the bank legally, as you guys already know, using the power of Forex trading. So en route to the bank right now, there's traffic, as you can see. And yeah, so the plan of action is to monitor our trades when we get back, see what the market is saying, because it is still early in the week to be, you know, doing other types of things like taking losses, too early, because if you lose a trade too early during the week, that can mess up your whole momentum for your upcoming trades for the rest of the week. We got FOMC coming up later on this week as well, so we're going to see what's that got to offer. But yeah, right now literally the main aim is to go and take this cash out so we can see what the power of pressing buy and sell can really give you. We got the bag in the back, of course, it's empty, but you already know we enter the bank with an empty bag, we exit 4 pockets full, you know.
I'm having 2 cents.
Empty bag. But I'll tell you something. I'm leaving here with something.
I'm leaving here with something.
So guys, we've literally left the bank. I wasn't able to record inside for you guys, but you already know what it looks like. And I'm just going to show you guys something out of motivational purposes only, nothing more, nothing less. So when you watch this, don't hate, just be inspired, you know. So yeah, as you can see right now, we got the stash, we got the bag from the bank, we got the cash inside right now, as you can see. Boom. We got an empty bottomless pit of abundance of money, you know. And as you can see, this is it for now, and all I'm going to say is watch this and be motivated, because if I can do it, you can do it too. And another thing I would say is that you see this money, but the other thing is you don't know what I'm going to do with it. So just a little food for thought. Obviously, we got a 100K account. The aim of the game is to go again, invest it. So now I'm going to go buy a 200K account and maybe a 300K account and repeat the process. Pass a challenge, get paid out. Pass a challenge, get paid out. And obviously I'm going to save the rest. If you don't know anything about money, all I'm going to say is go read The Richest Man in Babylon, and you'll have a little idea on how you can, you know, use compound interest, save up your money and make your money work for you. And we literally got this from pressing buy and sell. 2 buttons, buy and sell. And obviously with a little bit of skill, technical, and all that kind of thing. But yeah, my people, motivational purposes only. By the time you see this, this money is already gone into the next thing. So yeah, and like I said, make sure you get it how you live, my guys, and I'll see you guys on the next part of the video.
Married to the game, I do. Chewies in my cup, I do. Only bad bees, I do. Spend a couple racks in a week, I do. Married to the game, I do. Chewies in my cup, I do. Only bad bees, I do. Spend a couple racks in a week, I do.
Me and Muggy hopped out the Bentley truck. Holes on my table with empty cups. They said ICE fell off, you must be dumb. I got 99 problems but a plug ain't one. When my coke comes in, it's all pure. Families